right, let's look at some of these old motors, boat motors. Oh my goodness, look at all the collection. Oh, an old chainsaw right there. Alright. All the old collection of cans. Okay. There's a drill press right here. Alright. There's an old grass cutter. Okay. There's a 3 to 5 horsepower small engine. Metal bender. Oh wow, a nice metal bender. That's cool. Alright. A butter worker. Barrel butter curl. Look at all these antiques here. That right there we used to use to spray the bugs off the cows. Up there you get some of your big forks. Horn for your steer. An old weighing scale, okay. I had this one. Ah, that's cute memories. When I sold at the vegetable stand. Look at that. Let's see if I can get a little bit closer to that. Look at that. You got all kinds of small little things. Meat slicer. There's your meat slicer of yesterday. But that scale right there, I had when I used to sell at the vegetable stand when I was a little girl. To weigh my string beans and everything. Here's the old racks to hang your clothes. Some of our old clothes. There you go. For mopping, collecting eggs. She goes in there, you're going to lose her. All right, there you go.